guys, it's Scott, and I'm gonna play Minecraft edition on my world. Yeah, on my world. Yep, on my world. My world. Oh, hey, Piggy. I'll give you sweets. I'm gonna boost. Because you're so kind. See, this is my tree house. This is my house. This is press. And turns on the lights. You know why I made this? It has to have a doors. Oh, yonder the. Where's my fishing rod? My fishing rod is there. Yeah, this is my big sister's house. It's rain, but not really my sister. It's just my cousin. Not sister. This is my. I don't know. This Ate Jona's house. Yeah, and this is Ate Rain's, and that was my Ate Min's sister. But they're not really my sister. I just call Ate Jona Ate because I love him. And Ate Rain too. It's just my cousin. Rain is just my cousin. And I didn't build Kia lawns. Kia means. Oh no. Kia means brother. Oh no, big brother. Yeah. I just call them that in addition to them. Because then you know what's their favorite block. I forgot. I know Ate Jonas because she likes limo. No, it's great. And Ate Rain loves quartz because quartz are good, yeah. And I like birch. Yeah, for real, man. I love birch for real. Okay. Whee! Piggy. And that guy. And Piggy, I'm gonna kill you, sorry. I'm gonna do a swim. I'm gonna do an experiment on yes! It works! Hey chicken! You're now alive. I need experiment. Didn't work? No! It didn't work, guys! Oh my god! Yeah, it works again. Okay.